Hello everyone. Today, I'm presenting a true masterpiece of American engineering, the Illinois Bunn Special. This specific model features the 60-hour motor barrel with 21 jewels. Adjusted to 6 positions and equipped with a double roller, this wasn't just a timepiece, it was a certified railroad watch, a precision instrument vital to railway safety. Let's dive into the history and the purpose behind this extraordinary machine. In the late 19th century, time wasn't just a convenience, it was a matter of life or death. In an era of steam locomotives and single-track lines, a 30-second error on a conductor's watch could result in a catastrophic head-on collision. It was within this landscape of technical urgency that an American precision legend was born, the Illinois Bunn Special. Produced by the Illinois Watch Company in Springfield, Illinois, the Bunn Special was no ordinary pocket watch. It was named in honor of Jacob Bunn, the factory owner and a close friend of Abraham Lincoln. But its true prestige came from its railroad-grade certification. To run on the railroads, a watch had to endure brutal testing. The Bunn Special was adjusted to as many as 6 different positions and compensated for extreme temperature variations. It represented the pinnacle of mechanical engineering before the quartz era. What made it so special? Beyond its 21 or 23 jewels, the model introduced innovations like the 60-hour motor barrel, allowing the watch to maintain precision even if the conductor forgot to wind it for a day. Carrying a Bunn Special in your pocket was the equivalent of carrying a high-performance computer in today's world. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think about this model. If you can, give the video a like to help support the channel.